What's up, everybody? DaPoets here, and I got a little special unboxing today. I'm located at Havana Cigars in Studio City, and I figured this was kind of a real-world example of just kind of being out and about. With our mobile age right now, it's nice to have extreme battery life, and that's where we have the new Samsung Galaxy Book S. This thing reportedly has an insane amount of longevity. I don't want to say big battery power because it's more efficiency than anything. Verizon's website says that this will last 27.7 hours of usage time. Samsung's site says 25 hours. So put some comments below if you want me to do an actual true longevity test. I'll put it that way. They say that test is based on just showing videos, which is kind of cool. So if you're traveling a lot, this could be something perfect for multimedia consumption, and you don't have to worry about being hugged to the wall in an airport or anything like that. So I did get to get a little bit of hands-on with this at CES in Las Vegas. It was really nice. It did not pass the one finger open test, but it was an environment with 100,000 people constantly touching and moving the device, and it did have a little like kind of security tab on it. So I did hear that maybe they made some improvements on that. I hope so, because I also use the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3, and that is amazing. Just kind of lift it up, one finger, turns on instantly. But this is just always on. It's kind of like your cell phone, where like when you open it up, you know, press the button, it's always connected to LTE, and this is going to be on Verizon as well. So let's kind of open it up and find out what we got here. Easy enough. So, okay, this is really light. This is nice, but we'll put this aside for now and see what's actually in the box. So what we have here is obviously your basic charger. Gonna open it up here, see what's going on. Don't have a knife, but let's see here. This is, I don't even know what the wattage is, but it says super fast charging on it, and I'm going to guesstimate by the voltage and the amperage, you know, 9 volt, 27, I don't know. There's a lot of numbers on here, so I'll look into this to see exactly what fast charging it is, because we know that there's different standards altogether. Then we also have nifty little instruction booklet. Does anybody read the instruction booklets anymore? So, you know, reference guide, words, more words. All right, that's nice. Now, this does only have 2 USB-C ports, and in this day and age, 2020, the way that I operate, that's all I need. Everything is USB-C. USB-C, all the things for me. Even when I'm plugging things into my home PC, my Threadripper, you know, 3970X, the only thing I'm plugging into it these days are USB-C. So for me, that works out. But it is still nice when you have that old school peripheral, the old school USB-A standard available, fine. Well, let's see, what is this? This, I'm just ripping packages left and right. So let's hope I don't have to do a second take of this. USB-C to USB-C cable. I always like to know how long this is, because this is not a cell phone, this is a laptop. So sometimes you may need a much longer... Okay, I'm not going to jump rope with this, but I think that's long enough to be plugged into a wall and also plug it into your laptop. So that's fine. I like this. Put that aside for now. And is there anything else of notoriety in the box? There is not. I'd like to make sure. All right, now it's time to check out the Samsung Galaxy Book S. Do a little bit of a non-tearing here. That is nice. This is very lightweight and like stylish. And I even like how this is like off-center. You know how most laptops are just kind of like boom logo right in the middle. This is kind of special. So this is something like you can easily just kind of carry around and everything. It's like 2 pounds, 2.1 pounds. So So I'm enjoying this. This is nice. It's got a couple of rubber stoppers here, USB-C here, and a mic jack. It does have the SIM card tray here and expandable RAM too, so you can, or expandable storage I should say. You can put that there and the other USB-C. So it charges by USB-C on either side. So let's put this on the nice safe little cigar trays. And I'm going to reserve judgment on the one finger open on the first one because there might be something. Nope, it's just very clean, very shiny. So now I'm going to try the one touch open. Oh, it did it. It did it. Okay. So it could be that review unit at CES was just a little stiff or wonky from all the people using it. But this is nice. So very thin. Look how thin that is. Now right here we do have the fingerprint sensor. So it's got a little sticker on it right now, so I'll deal with that when I set it up. The touchpad is very smooth. Actually, it feels almost like the same material as the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. So that is comfortable. Now the keys, keep in mind, look how thin that is. So let's see here. Not much travel, and yet satisfying. So I think they found a nice little balance of being able to get a thin keyboard while at the same time making it kind of like satisfying. So I can type pretty much almost 70 words per minute, and hey, I like it. I like it a lot. So far, my first impression is that this is a solid piece of machinery. You can get this through multiple ways, straight from Samsung's website, Verizon's website as well. Verizon's actually giving $100 off, so that might save you some money. I think Samsung's website, if you get it through them, they're going to give you a little bit of maybe a little bonus on getting some of their other peripherals as well. Sometimes, like with the Note 10, if you buy it through a carrier like Verizon and you register through Samsung's website, you'll actually still qualify for extra perks. That's how I got my Galaxy Buds. So these are their OG Galaxy Buds. They're really, really nice for music, really terrible for phone calls. So I'm thinking of moving up to the Galaxy Buds Plus because they improved that greatly. So that'll be another video definitely. And overall, I'm really happy with the build quality of this. I'll do a further review and see exactly what the real world battery life is like. The connectivity with the LTE for Verizon as well. I use a ton of data on my Galaxy Note 10, on average 60 to 70 gigabytes per month. Lately about half of my data is on 5G because I'm in Los Angeles, so we have 5G at all the places I'm going to all the time. In terms of like Venice Beach, Hollywood Boulevard, conferences like CES at 5G everywhere. So it's becoming more and more prominent for Verizon users, which is kind of cool in the LA area. So this is not 5G, this is 4G, but they say it's advanced 4G LTE. So there might be some better than average 4G speeds with this. So we'll just do some further testing. I know where my office is in Beverly Hills. Right where my office is, the 4G speeds are really, really slow. So granted, there's a lot of buildings in that area. That could be part of the reason. So I am going to test this by my office to see exactly what that is looking like as well. But overall, if you like this quick and dirty cigar style of unboxing, please hit that thumbs up, that like button. And if you have any other comments or questions, put them in the comments below. So I hope you like this. Please subscribe. Trying to grow this channel. I'm having fun with it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.